Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to Spirit Peaks. You can hear Olive. She's not happy. It's early. We are running a little late though, even though it is early. It's like 8:20. We're still running a little late. These dogs are going to be hanging out at Grandma's house today. And I'm eating a Jimmy Dean breakfast bowl. I always hear the guys on Maximum Driftcast call James Dean Jimmy Dean, and it reminds me of the breakfast sandwiches, so I got it. But yeah, so there's a private day at Spirit Peaks, and a lot of my friends are going, and they invited me to come, so we're gonna go shred. Marcus Lyons, I think Danner's going, I think my old roommate Scott is going, a couple of the guys from the Drift Team Destroy from Seattle, who I've been friends with for a while, and I'm not sure who else, but I got some 100 treadwear Accelera tires that I'm gonna test out, and I'm gonna do a review between the normal 200 treadwear Accelera and the 100 treadwear Accelera. It's gonna be a separate video, but this is the behind the scenes. So we're gonna leave here in a couple minutes and get on the road.
I'm your barista. Barista.
Barista.
Barista.
Let me pour your coffee in.
Starbucks also uses brown sugar, so do I.
How much do you want? All of it?
Until it's full.
Until it's full. This is a big ass cup.
Yeah.
Now that you're not pregnant anymore, you're really taking advantage of this caffeine life.
Yeah, but now that I'm breastfeeding, I have to use non-dairy creamer and it sucks.
Non-dairy creamer, brown sugar, and Starbucks coffee in a plastic cup. We're doing this. Okay, we're making terrible time as usual. We are late, but we picked up Reese, my drift school compadre. What up? And we're gonna go do some drifting. We're about, I don't know, 45 minutes away? About 45 minutes. Also, if you guys have not heard the new Terror album, listen to it. It's fire.
Oh yeah.
Trying to find somewhere to park. There's Marcus's bitch ass. Hey girls. Hi Pumpkin. Team So Icy Boys out here, Marcus Lyons, Danner. Ooh, the Lambo doors. This shit is ballin', dude. I love your car.
Thank you.
I'm sure the internet does too. Look at that shit. And this thing. This thing works. It works. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, our day is over. The clutch is gone. Damn it. Thanks to Spirit Peaks for having us out once again. We'll be back. RIP clutch. Alright, so our drift day at Spirit Peaks didn't go exactly as planned due to me smoking my clutch, but it was fun, and I did get to test out these 100 treadwear Accelerate tires. So I pulled one out of the back of the truck for you guys to see. I only went through one set of tires, so that's exciting. These guys have 5 laps at Spirit Peaks on them because that's pretty much all I did. Maybe a half lap or 2 because I was trying to figure out my clutch situation. But super even wear. Maybe had a little bit of camber under load. Could have just been the corner. But when we talk about grip, I really need to... I ran these a little bit higher in tire pressure, by the way, than I run the 200 treadwears because I was afraid that it might interfere with the lifespan of my rear end because I don't have some crazy drive shaft shop axles. I just run Z stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the park and I'm going to test out 100 treadwear versus the 200 treadwear. We're going to do the same tire pressures and we'll see. Maybe it does break the drivetrain or the rear end. Maybe it doesn't. But I want to know how much of a difference does it really make, 100 treadwear off each other, 200 and a 100. I'm excited. These, what I did notice though, at the tire pressure I was running them at, is that the forward bite was a lot more. Which means when the car is driving straight, it had more grip. It wouldn't just break the wheels loose and not let me go anywhere. I hooked up, I took off. Now the side bite at the tire pressure I was at felt about the same. Now, if I took my wheel spacers off or let some air out of the tire, that might have made a bigger difference, but I didn't really have time to mess around with it, and this is what I got. So I wanted to share it with you guys, let you guys know what they did do pretty good, and this is with no cool down laps, no, or maybe there's one cool down lap, or one cool down session where the car sat and cooled down. But yeah, no water pit, no real cool down laps or cool down sessions, and the tires stayed together pretty fantastically. Don't forget, you guys can pick these up at TireStreets.com. I have a discount code. It'll be in the description. But yeah, I'm very excited and happy to be repping a product that works well and I don't have to like lie about. It's a great tire through and through. I'm very thankful that I get to have these to burn. Look at this. Damn. That's gonna do it for today's video. Actually, it's a 2-day video because I didn't film this outro because it was dark when I got home. But thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Peace.